You can only keep one room. Which do you pick? Baby puppy room. Baby kitty room. Share this with your bestie to see what they pick. Baby panda room. These are so cute, don't you think? Baby bunny room. Let me know which one you pick.